to quickly raise her chicks. The bird mom invented a direct feeding method. She watched as the eldest chick swallowed a lizard whole. Satisfied, she left the nest. But the chick struggled with the lizard lodged in its throat. It kept trying to swallow, hoping to digest it. The chick's neck stretched as it tried to gulp it down. It lay motionless on its sibling, still alive but barely. The lizard's tail slowly moved into its stomach. A sudden movement from its sibling woke the chick. It attempted to stand, but was weighed down by the lizard. Needing relief, the chick moved away and expelled some waste. This created space for more of the lizard to be swallowed. The chick then rested on its sibling, waiting to digest. It even managed to take a nap.